How to use toolbar. First, go to Options, Settings, Toolbar. Here you can check or uncheck the commands you want to appear in the toolbar. The first button is to create a new project in Subtitle Edit. The second button is to open an existing subtitle file. The third and fourth buttons are for Save and Save as the subtitle. The next button is to find a text in the subtitle. The next button is to find and replace a text in the subtitle. The next button is to open Fix Common Errors window, which can be used to fix common errors in the subtitle. The next button is for using Visual Sync, which I created a video about it. The next option is to burn subtitle into video. The next option is to spell check the subtitle. The next button opens Settings window. The next button opens Help in browser. The next option is to toggle between Source and List View. The next options are to toggle between Show or Hide Video Player and Waveform. Next, you can change the format of subtitle based on your needs. You can change the encoding of subtitle based on your language. At last, you can see the video frame rate and click on the 3 dots button to calculate video frame rate. To change the toolbar back to the original, just go to Options, Settings, Toolbar again and click on Restore Default Settings button. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.